kids, in today's activity, we will be making a water cycle for our rooms. But what is a water cycle? The water moves between lakes, rivers, oceans and the atmosphere, land in an ongoing cycle called water cycle. And as it goes through the continuous system, it can be liquid, gas or solid. Now to make your own water cycle, you will need white sheet, crayons, sketch pens, or if you have paints you can also use them. Lots of cotton, scissors, glue, thread, scale, a pen or a pencil. Let's make the first stage called evaporation. On your sheet, make a sun like this. You can make with any circle object around you. Color it in yellow color and then you have to cut it out. So your sun will look like this. Now cut two strips like this. Color them in blue color. Like this. Next one like this. And you have to make arrows pointing upwards. So what happens is energy from sun heats up the surface of the earth and the water evaporates into air, turning into gas called vapor. Now let's make the second stage. For this, cut a band of white sheet and paste cotton balls on this like that. Now this stage depicts how after vapor rises in the sky, it cools down and turns back into the liquid, forming clouds. So see how I have put glue on the paper and I am just putting cotton balls like that. Now let's make the third stage called precipitation. For this we will cut the same strips like this, color them into blue color like so. And now we will be making arrows towards pointing downwards. Like this. Alright, this stage depicts that when there is too much water in the clouds, it becomes too big and heavy for air to hold and so they fall back on the earth as rain, snow, hail and it is called precipitation. Now for the last stage, that is collection, we make a bigger band, cut it out and make waves in it. Now as you can see, I have started putting the water cycle together. I have put glue on all the ends of the sticks and I have pasted my water body on this. Now in the same way, I will put glue on the other ends of the stick like this. And now I'll paste my cloud. Now I'll put a little bit glue on my sun and I'll paste it with a cloud. See, that's so easy. The bands into a circle shape. For this you just have to fold the bands in a circle form and attach them with glues in both the end. And you have to do the same with the other end. Now your water cycle will look something like this. Now take a pen, make a circle on the sun like this and now you have to insert a thread inside.